Hello, in front of me I've got Vantrue on N4 camera. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage saved files. At the beginning let's go to menu, so press and hold mode button. Release. And now when we are in menu, let's enter files. Now you can find event videos, normal videos and all files. Press OK. Now you can enter your videos and watch them. Press the power button to delete the video. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.